There are many summer festivals in Britain. One of the best known is the one at Stonehenge. The festival at Stonehenge takes place on June the 21st, the summer solstice. The solstice marks the most northerly point reached by the sun on its orbit around the Earth. From then on, the days start to get longer again.
This famous stone monument, erected over 4,000 years ago, was designed so that at the solstice the sun rises in line with the northeast entrance and the central stone. The reason it was erected is still debatable, but it has had obvious religious significance for thousands of years. And even today, at the summer solstice, many people, including those who follow Druidism, travel there to marvel at the sun rising over the ancient stones.
In Chester, we also have a summer festival. This takes place in June, near the solstice. It is known as the Chester Midsummer Watch Parade.
The Midsummer Watch Parade is held every year except when the Chester Mystery Plays take place.
The Chester Mystery Plays were first performed 700 years ago. They were first enacted by monks from Chester Cathedral to illustrate stories from the Bible to the people who did not understand the Latin used in church.
The plays were banned after the Reformation, but were revived in 1950, and today the mystery plays are enacted every 5 years.
The Midsummer Watch Parade started in 1498, when Cestrians, the people of Chester, marched through the streets carrying torches and wearing costumes to celebrate the coming of the summer.
Very soon the march included large figures of giants, animals, mythical creatures and people. One of the most important figures was the merchant mount, which was a representation of a ship, because in medieval times Chester was an important port and one of the main ports for travel to Ireland.
Today the march takes place on the weekend nearest to the solstice and ends in juggling, fire-breathing and dancing. Famous attractions are a family of giants, devils, angels, puppets and flocks of geese. St Werburgh is the patron saint of Chester and is often portrayed as a goose.
In recent years, as many as 50 giant figures have taken part in the parade, and the parade has been televised in places as far apart as Japan and United States.